Because I'm not resisting. You lying.
Get out.
I wasn't even fucking resisting. Y'all sitting up there lying. I wasn't even resisting. I told him, well, let me close my door. He stood in the way.
On May 29, 2025, Palm Beach County deputies stopped a driver for a seatbelt violation and an obscured license plate. Both infractions satisfy Florida's reasonable, articulable suspicion standard. The stop itself is legally sound.
Hey, good morning. Deputy before Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office.
What?
Well, maybe if you turn the radio down, you can hear me.
What you said?
I'm Deputy McCoy, Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office, and I'm pulling you over for a couple of reasons. For one, you didn't have your seatbelt on when you passed me. Two, the license plate cover you got in the bag, you can't have that. Do you have your license, registration, insurance?
Well, I ain't have it on when I passed you. You should have stopped me then.
That's what I'm doing right now, miss. Do you have your insurance on you? Say it again?
I said you're gonna let me find it. You make me late to work.
Give me a minute. I'll be right back with your few tickets, all right? Here you go. Yeah. Hey, just stay in the vehicle for me. Stay in the vehicle. Stay in the vehicle. Stay in the vehicle. Stay in the vehicle. No, you go stay in the vehicle like I told you to. Do you understand?
No,
you put that down.
You better get away
from
me.
Stay in the vehicle.
No,
I don't care. Sit down. Sit down. You got the right one today.
I don't give a fuck.
You got the right one today. Have a
I don't
seat.
give a fuck.
Get out of the car
I can
again.
take it.
I'm going to put your handcuffs and you go to jail. How about that?
For what? Because I'm not resisting.
Find out. No, get out. How about? Don't fight. Don't fight.
Stop.
You're under arrest. Get out of the car. Don't resist.
Oh my God.
Turn around.
I tried to close my door.
Yeah, you don't hit me with the door. What's wrong
I
with you?
did not hit you with the door. Oh my God.
So silly. For a seatbelt ticket?
I'm not
you
doing
gonna go to jail for that?
seatbelt ticket. I just said let me close
Don't
my
worry
door.
about it. Don't worry about it. It's all good.
I need to call my boss.
No, you don't got to call nobody.
Yes, I do.
When you get to the jail, you call them. Don't worry about it.
I opened the stove.
Well, you should have thought about that, huh?
Hey, Siri.
Come back over here for me.
Weird. Y'all weird.
Yeah, it's crazy. You can put it on the front of my car. I got to search real quick. Relax.
No,
it doesn't work like that.
That's not how that works.
Yes, it
You don't
do.
run the
No, it
show.
doesn't.
You don't run the show. Let me get the car. Stop fighting.
I don't want you touching me.
I don't care what you want.
I don't want you touching me.
I'm going to shut you.
What about that?
Listen. All I said was let me close my door.
Well, when I tell you to do something you don't do it, that becomes a problem.
Because I said I wanted to take the
That's what
thing off.
happens. Okay, yeah.
You don't dictate what goes on here.
I'm going to have a seat right here.
All right, turn around. Sit on the push bumper. No, sit on the push bumper. I'm not going to ask you again. Otherwise, you're going to go in my car.
Y'all trying to take me to jail because I tried to close my door. Y'all weird.
You don't get to close the door on us, okay? You don't dictate what goes on here. We do. It's a traffic stop. You are detained. You don't get to do whatever you want. When you get pulled over, all you have to do is give him your paperwork.
I did and he threw it at me. Right. He threw it at me.
Okay, well, that doesn't mean you can just close your door on him while he's... No, you pulled your door closed.
And I told him while I was pulling, I was going to close my door.
That's not how that works.
Okay, it's not that deep. He giving me a ticket. He should have stopped me way back there.
It doesn't matter where he stops you. He can pull you over in your fucking way and write you a ticket there. It doesn't matter where he pulls you over at. He can pull you over 10 miles down the road. You committed a traffic violation. There's no, area where he has to pull you over at before it's void.
Like I said, he still ain't have my shit on back there. He should have stopped me back there.
It does not
He
matter.
should have stopped me back there.
It doesn't matter.
Y'all need to tighten up. Y'all worrying about
No,
me
you need to tighten
driving.
up.
Bitch, it's people out here doing other shit. There's way more other shit out here that need to go on.
He's a motor unit. His job is to enforce traffic laws. He's doing his job.
Man, I'm gonna take everything off my
Okay, again, you don't
Please just stop talking to me, sir. I ain't talking to you. I'm not talking to you. I can talk to myself. I can talk to myself if I want to. I'm grown. I'm 35.
Okay. Well, if you're going to talk, I'm going to talk too.
Okay, don't talk to me, but fine, talk to him.
No, I don't want to
Like I
talk.
fucking said, fuck. Y'all fuck up because I'm trying to take the damn thing like y'all want to arrest me.
Okay,
Y'all want to
you don't dictate what goes on here. If he asks you to take
I
it off,
don't
then you can
care.
take it off.
He didn't have to ask me shit. I could have got out and took it off if I wanted to.
Hey, Josh. I'm tired of her mouth. She's going to jail, bro.
All right.
What?
Florida Statute 316.614 makes seatbelt noncompliance a primary offense. No additional justification is required. Florida Statute 316.605 mandates that license plates remain fully legible and unobstructed at all times. Under Pennsylvania v. Mims, 1977 officers may lawfully control a subject's position during any lawful stop. The subject's decision to exit the vehicle before being ordered to do so created the first point of legal friction in this encounter.
Listen, can you stop my car? Listen.
You want to make a simple traffic stop for all this? Go ahead. You good?
I'm not making no simple
ahead.
traffic stop, nothing. All I said
You good?
all I said was...
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You about to get a simple drug
Can you
ticket.
stop my car?
No, your car getting towed. Towing that too.
You towing my car?
I'm towing that too.
You
quiet.
you
your
towing
foot
my
inside.
car? How much
Put
is it
your
gonna
foot
A
cost?
lot of
inside
money.
the car.
Put your foot in. There you go. Next time you listen.
Oh my God, nasty, bro. They nasty. They nasty. Oh my God. Fuck all for a ticket, bro. They towing my car, bro. For what? For what, bro? I don't have no money for that. I don't even have no money for that, bro. I don't even have no money for that, bro. I don't have no money for that, and it's hot in here. Can you please call my manager? Can you please call my manager? Mr. Gonzalez, can you please call my manager? Hello?
I already shut your phone off.
Well, turn it back on so you could call her so she could come open the store. Oh my God, it's so fucking nasty. Nasty for nothing, bro. Bro, nasty for nothing, bro. Nasty for nothing. Y'all being nasty to me for nothing. And then he got me in this hot ass car, bro. He fucked my money, bro. Lord, please let them let me out, Lord, so I can get to work, Jesus. Please let them let me out, God. I can't do this. I'm having a tough day, bro. Already, bro. Can't believe it, bro. They doing the most right now, bro. Bro, they fucking me, bro. They intentionally me, bro. Lord, please let them let me go. Please, Jesus, let them let me go. I gotta go to work. I gotta go to work, please. I gotta go to work. My birthday literally was a ago. Dog. Bro. Can you please call my manager? Oh my God. He's so rude and he ignoring me and shit. I hope this black guy get out and walk over here to this car. I don't even know what people going through and they people. I don't even know half of what people going through and they people. How much is it gonna cost to get my car to the tow yard? How much is it gonna cost to get my car to the tow yard?
I honestly have no idea.
Because y'all bothering me and shit, but y'all don't even know half of what I'm going through. Like, I'm literally trying to pay my bills. Like, hang on 1 second. What the fuck? Y'all locking me up because I want to close my door. I just want to go. I just want to get the fuck, man. I just want to go to work. I just want to go to work. Can you please call my manager? Can you please call my manager?
I will try to get the phone number when I get there, but right now the property bag is sealed, so I can't even get your phone out of the bag.
I tried to tell you before you sealed it so she could get to the store. I opened the store. So I'm trying to tell y'all.
If I call the store,
ain't nobody gonna be there. That's what I'm telling you to call
I'll try
her.
and get the phone number when we get there, okay?
I need to call my daughter and stuff. Yeah, I need to call my daughter though. She at home by herself. I gotta let her know I'm not coming home. She's 15. No, it's not. She's 15 years old. It's just me and my daughter and my son. What? You don't have to call DCF. She old enough to be there by herself. It's just the point. It's just the simple fact that I'm her mom and she calls me all day. So what's the charge?
Resist without.
I wasn't even. Y'all sitting up there lying. I wasn't even resisting. Y'all, what y'all lying for? Not damn time did I resist. Damn time.
Okay, well, you hit my partner with the
I
door.
did not hit him intentionally. I said, just let me close my door since I can't get out.
You can't close it and say it as you're hitting him with the door and then expect that, oh, okay, no big deal.
I didn't say it was no big deal. My intention was not to hit him. My intention was to close my door since he told me I couldn't take the cover off my tag. I could have took the cover off my tag.
Well, what you intended to do and what you actually did was two different things.
Well, he told me not to do it. So I went back to my car to sit down. And when I told him, well, let me close my door, he stood in the way. I mean, be serious. Y'all don't know what I got going on. I got a sick mama, a sick grandma. I got a teenage daughter, a little boy. We just moved into our place. We've been homeless for forever. Y'all messing with my money. I just bought my car a few months ago.
You know who's messing with your money?
No, y'all is, because y'all want to arrest me because I can talk. I have freedom of speech. I can say whatever I want to say. You did. You said, oh, if you keep talking, I'm going to put you in the back of my car. That's what you said. Yeah, but I can talk. I can talk, though. But it don't matter. That's crazy. Y'all taking me to jail for some crazy shit. For some bull. Y'all taking me to jail for bullshit. And you won't even let me call my manager. I tried to call her before y'all put my phone up. Y'all nasty. If y'all trying to meet a quota, just say that. Bitch, I don't want to be part of y'all quota.
Yeah, 33010 Congress Park Drive, apartment 113.
How you doing?
I'm not good because they arrested me for some.
I'm sorry. I'm just here for.
I know that because I told them I don't want them touching me because they men. I know that.
I don't blame you.
Yeah, they said that they were trying to touch me. I don't like that.
Do you have anything on you sharp or anything like that?
No, I just got this.
Oh, what was it? Oh, your AirPods. Okay, I'll grab that in a second. Turn around, wait for me. I'm just gonna double check, okay? Spread your feet apart for me. Her AirPods just dropped. You could grab them for me.
Yep.
Turn, face me. I'll put it back. I'm not gonna have you go and mess it up. Hold on a second.
Oh man, my hair's sticking up on my head.
We gotta
They
take
have
it
to
off.
take it off anyways in the jail.
Oh man, y'all gonna give me a comb?
They'd probably give it to you in jail.
We're just gonna ask us.
Yeah, they're going to.
I need you to call my manager.
Okay.
You keep
Take a
saying
seat.
okay, but you're not doing that.
Okay,
Have a seat.
take a seat.
I don't have the seatbelt
We
on.
got stuff to do. Put your feet up.
Well, I hope you're not gonna leave me in this hot ass car again.
I got the AC on.
You didn't have it on the first damn time.
Okay, well, I didn't realize that I was gonna have somebody in the back of my car.
Yeah,
I turned it on when I realized it.
Yeah, when you
Okay.
saw me in the turned it on, burning up.
Hey, look, what's your phone number
For what?
for the arrest paperwork?
What they need it for?
Because it has to go on the arrest paperwork.
Yeah, but that's not telling me why.
Because it's a requirement on the arrest paperwork. It's a required field that we have to put in.
They didn't ask me that the last time they arrested me.
Okay, well, if you don't want to put it here, that's fine. Single, married, divorced?
I'm separated.
Okay. Separated. Where do you work at?
I work at Domino's.
Domino's?
Okay,
sounds good. I'll see you in a minute.
How long this finna take? Cause I gotta piss.
He said he's almost done.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
Okay, well...
And I'm not gonna be able to hold my pee that long. I need to go to the bathroom.
Well, he's almost done. Alright? He said he's about to print his paperwork.
I'm telling you, I can't hold no pee that long. I gotta pee. I gotta pee. You need to tell him to come on, cause I gotta piss.
Oh, speak of the devil. I think this is him.
I hope so, cause I gotta pee. Got all day. Take it too long.
Okay. So her stuff. Alright.
The central charge, resisting officer without violence under Florida Statute 843.02. The statute requires willful resistance, obstruction, or opposition to an officer in the lawful execution of duty. The operative word is willful. Intent is a required element, not merely inconvenient conduct. The factual dispute: did closing a car door constitute willful obstruction or a routine act misinterpreted under stress? A court must weigh the subject's stated intent against the officer's testimony and observable evidence on camera. Critical audio captured. I'm tired of her mouth. She's going to jail. This statement triggers First Amendment analysis. The Supreme Court, held in City of Houston v. Hill, 1987, verbal challenge directed at police, is constitutionally protected speech. The freedom to verbally oppose or challenge police action without risking arrest distinguishes a free nation from a police state. An arrest motivated by frustration with protected speech rather than legally sufficient conduct constitutes a retaliatory arrest. Retaliatory arrest violates the First Amendment regardless of whether probable cause for another charge technically exists. The 11th Circuit governing Florida has affirmed this principle in multiple post-Hill decisions. Use of force analysis applies under Graham v. Connor. 1989 reasonableness is judged from the officer's perspective at the moment. The subject was unarmed, not fleeing, and posed no threat, escalating beyond verbal defiance and a disputed door movement. Multiple officers were present. De-escalation options existed. Physical extraction was not the only available response. PERF de-escalation guidelines require officers to consider time, distance, and communication before physical intervention. None of those conditions were meaningfully applied before the decision to arrest was executed. Deputy McCoy grade C+. The stop was legally justified. Execution was not. Captured audio indicates the arrest decision was driven by personal frustration, not by a legally sufficient factual predicate. The First Amendment does not permit officers to convert verbal irritation into a criminal charge. Subject grade B-. Her assertion of First Amendment rights was legally accurate. However, exiting the vehicle unprompted and sustaining aggressive verbal confrontation created unnecessary legal exposure. The prudent approach: remain in the vehicle, provide documents, and contest the stop through proper legal channels afterward. Palm Beach County, so grade B- administrative procedures were followed. Training gaps were exposed. A seatbelt stop producing a criminal arrest, a towed vehicle, and a potential First Amendment claim reflects a proportionality failure. K. Legal lessons. Know the difference between lawful order and unlawful retaliation. Officers' frustration with protected speech is not probable cause. Every arrest decision must rest on conduct, not tone. Citizens asserting rights verbally is protected. Physically contesting a lawful order, even a wrong one, is legally dangerous. The correct remedy for an unlawful stop is a lawyer and a courthouse, not a confrontation on the roadside. If an officer threatens arrest for speech, document it. Comply physically, challenge legally. That sequence protects your rights. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.